How to watch YouTube videos while using other apps. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can watch YouTube videos while using other apps. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up YouTube here, and here what you want to do is play a video. Now I'll not play a video here, however once you play a video, what you want to do is tap and hold here and head into the background apps option. Now you can see here I'm on the background apps option. Now once on background apps option, what you want to do is tap and hold on the YouTube option here, and you can see it'll ask you to drop here for preview. Now if you want to drop for pop-up preview, what you can do is simply drop for pop-up preview here, and your pop-up will appear here. Now what you can do is you can make this smaller and you can play a video here, and what you can do is use other apps on the background as well. However, if you don't want to do it, what you can do is the other way is simply tap and hold again on YouTube, and you can drop at the bottom of your screen or at the top right corner of your screen, and at the one side of your screen you'll be able to watch YouTube, and at the bottom end or the other end you'll be able to use other apps. So you can open up any apps and you can use it, as you can see. So this way you can watch YouTube while using other apps. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.